Hi guys, just a quick little intro to say that my Lily Jade, Shaylee and Plum finally arrived today. It sat in customs in Canada for like 9 days with, on the tracking it said it got damaged, and I had no idea what was going on with it because nothing was updating until yesterday where it said it had been released from customs. So I was expecting, actually I don't really know what I was expecting, but I was expecting a damaged box, but everything was in perfect condition. So yeah, it just arrived and I'm going to go ahead and pack it up now, and you will see that in the second half of this video. Yes, I'm really happy with it. It looks great, and I only got charged $51.63 or something like that in duties, which was really good because I know some other people here in Canada got charged way more than that. Some I think were like $130, which I think I would literally cry if I'd been charged that. But yeah, so I'm really happy with it. So I'm going to stop this here and go ahead and pack it up, and then I will show you guys. So here is the Shaylee all packed up. I probably still have a few more things to add to it, but I'm just not ready to do that yet. So I packed it up as much as I could. It's just for going out later. I'm going to be out quite late. I will have to take like a fuel cell or some other bag with me because I am going to have all 5 of my kids with me, so I'm not going to fit like drinks and snacks into here because it just make the bag really heavy. There's actually not too many bags that I can fit drinks for everybody in, plus all the snacks. So yeah, so I've just got it packed up just nicely for what we need. So this colour is absolutely beautiful, and I think I've got it in natural light. It's pretty bright in here. It's a very deep purpley plum colour. It's really pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. And there you've got the Lily Jade beads on there. As I said, I was super excited not to find that it was damaged at all because I was so worried. It has this silver hardware on there that I really love, so I've put a hand sanitizer on the side there. It has the tote straps, and then it also has these backpack straps that double as a messenger strap as well. I would pretty much carry it just with these or with that. I did have to go and watch Dance Mum's video on how to do this because I'd forgotten how to do it. It's been a while since I used a Madeline. Actually, I don't even have that anymore, but yeah, hers is a really good video on how to do the straps. I can link it down below if anybody wants to know. So I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like on the body. So here it is over the shoulder, which is really comfortable. It sits really nicely, and then as a backpack, it also, again, feels really comfortable as a backpack as well. It feels just the right size. So there it is as the backpack. And then I'm going to show you what I have packed in here. Now, I didn't put anything in this zipper pocket here, just because I really don't know what to put in there right now. It'll take me, I guess, a few times using it to figure out how I want to use it. When I initially ordered the Plum Shaylee, it was supposed to come with the magnetic pockets, but I guess there'd been some sort of manufacturing error, excuse me, so they'd all come with zipper pockets. So Lily Jade did send me a coin purse in, I think it's camel or brandy, I always get those two mixed up, which, because I didn't want to return it. So I've never had a Shaylee, so I figured I may like the zippered pockets, I don't know, and they seem fine to me. So in this one here, I just put a coin purse in there with some coins in. So that's what I put in that one. They're good sized pockets. They go down like to the bottom of the bag. I don't think I've got a wallet that'd fit in there or anything, but it's good for putting like car keys, coin purses, lip stuff. I guess anything like that, even a few snacks for the kids maybe. So there's your D-rings on the side, and it has the snaps there. I did have to open the snaps up to get the insert in because I'd packed it and then put it into the bag. I'm not sure if that's the correct way to do it, if I should have packed it when it was in the bag. And then it also does have this nice long pocket along the back here, which is a good sized pocket, and I just threw just a couple of spare snacks in there for emergencies. And again, that's a good sized pocket. Might be rich, probably fit in that back pocket actually, if I wanted to use it for that. So that's what I have in there. And then Going into the bag itself, this is how I have it packed up. So there it is, and there is that lining in there. It's like a silver lining. It's such a pretty color. So the inside interior pockets, again, I've not put anything in there just because I'm just starting to use the bags. It has that zippered one across the back there, and then it also has these little slip pockets here. So I guess, again, these would be good for a phone, I guess. And I think that's all the interior pockets. So it does have the insert, so I will pull that out. I think I have to open these again to pull it out, because I didn't find it that easy to get in. There it is. Pull that out, and there is the inside. So you can use this bag without the insert, and I would maybe do that sometimes, depending on what I'm doing. But I really do like the insert. When I had my Madeline, I did like using the insert with it, and it's really good if you want to switch to another bag that's big enough to hold an insert. It is pretty good. So on this outside pocket here, I just have a little Tokidoki coin purse, and that has some story cubes in there. Over here I just have some tissues and some gum. I have my daughter's squishy. And then over on this side, I did put my Be Rich wallet in there that fits kind of pretty well. I don't think I have anything in this one. And then we have another little toy in that one. The insert does have an interior pocket here, a zippered one, and a little slip pocket there that I just have some lip balm in. Another slip pocket, and that just has charger stuff for my phone. And then in this one, I just have a white pouch in there. On the outside here, I have a little custom medikit, and that's in the Sakura at Dusk. And I just wanted to show you how pretty, hopefully I got that lined up, that you can see how pretty Sakura at Dusk looks with the Plum. It was like made for this bag. It is so pretty. I don't have many pieces in Sakura at Dusk. I think I've got a medium set piece, and I think that's it in this. Yeah, I don't think I bought anything in it, but it just looks fabulous with this. I might have to maybe get some more pieces in this. And then I have a large set piece, and again I think Sakura Swirl looks pretty good with this as well. It looks really pretty, brightens it up. I have a change clothes wet bag, just all like toilet stuff in there. And then last of all, I just have another custom piece. This is in the Sakura Swirl, and that just has nighttime pull-up and pajamas, because we're going to be out kind of late, so I just want to put my youngest into these in the car so that we can get her into bed. And it looks so pretty. And this, if anyone's curious, is the same size roughly as a Be Quick, but I really like it. It's great for toys and like books and stuff, as well as like diapering stuff. So yeah, there it is. There is the Lily Jade Shaylee. I'm sure the next time I use it, I may pack it up differently. This is a new bag for me. I've not had this one before, so but I like it. I like how light it feels. It doesn't feel that heavy to me, and yeah, I just love the color. I love the color. I wear a lot of black, so black and navy blue is pretty much what I wear mostly, and I just think this is just going to look like really pretty as a backpack when you're wearing all black. And I just thought it'd be a nice color. It's going to look nice in the winter, and I think it's going to look really pretty for a summer color as well. So yeah, there it is. Now all I have to do is find stuff that you can use to condition it with, because I didn't buy it off Lily Jade. So anyone that's, I guess, maybe watching that's in Canada, maybe you can let me know what stuff is good for conditioning leather. I am really not sure at all, because my Madeline, I actually didn't have it that long, so I actually never conditioned it. As I said, the flap on it really bugged me, so yeah. Anyway, and this one is smaller than the Madeline as well. It's definitely smaller, which is good because I really want to use it as a purse as well. So yeah. Anyway, so there it is. There is my video, and yeah, let me know what you guys think, and if you like this color.